Hi guys, it's Lucas, and today it's the cutest thing ever. We just got a cat, and how did it jump up there? Mom!
Ashley.
The cat is on the sink.
Oh God.
It is literally on the sink.
Is that the cat?
Yes!
God damn it.
No! See that cat? See my dog? They're crazy. Who wants to get shot? Bonnie?
No, out.
Hold on.
Out.
You could jump right here.
No, Bonnie.
Safely. You're stuck, aren't you? No, do not! No, is there any knives? No knife.
Out.
You could do this, cat. You could do it. Do it. Wow. You were scared that whole entire time. What the heck? You were so scared.
No, Bonnie.
What is wrong with your ear? Hey, where do you think you're going?
Well, come here. Who's this?
Hold on, 1 minute. Casey.
Mom, come here.
Meow meow, meow meow meow. Meow meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. Come on. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty. Come on. Meow meow meow, meow. Meow meow meow, meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Where are you going?
Don't they look like motherfucking cases?
I was right.
They're getting to know each other.
So my dog
Like kitty titty.
kind of likes the cat. We just got the cat.
Move.
Oh,